Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you are doing well, having fun, submitting your homeworks to your teachers on time. Very good. So as you all know, in our last class we discussed comprehension and the questions related to that particular comprehension. So what's the name of the comprehension which we are doing these days in our classes? The name of the comprehension is Curiosity, which is unit 7 of your books. So please take out your books and let's start studying for today. As you all know, in our last class I gave you homework, question number 4. So I'm sure कि आप सब ने अपने homeworks teachers को submit करा दिए होंगे. So today we're going to do next 2 questions in our class and I'm going to give you an activity for your home. So let's get started. Page number 75. Question number 4. Was the baby lizard scared to be trapped inside? Why? क्या बेबी लिजर्ड जो थी, जो कि सूटकेस के अंदर इतनी एक्सप्लोरिंग कर रही थी, she was he was very curious about what that suitcase had, all the things which included biscuits, and there were so many things. Suitcase had soft and hairy cloth, a towel, plastic box, and there was a box in which there was burfi, right? And it smelled so delicious that it attracted lizard, right? And there were so many other things as well, such as a hard and smooth glass bottle which was actually a perfume, and there were some biscuit crumbs as well in the corner of the suitcase. So there was a very fruity smelled piece which was wrapped in a newspaper. It was a soap. So there were so many things inside that particular suitcase. Now when the lizard was done searching suitcase, what happened was that she might got scared कि वो बाहर नहीं निकल सकेंगी suitcase से. What will happen next? So we have to answer this question, that was the baby lizard scared to be trapped inside? Why? So we have to answer it. So let's see, this is the resource guide जो screens पे आपके attach की जाती है, डिज़ाइन की गई है ताकि आपके लिए बहुत helpful रहे whenever you want to solve the questions or if you are having any kind of difficulty. Alright, so the lizard was not, so आइए आंसर टैली करते हैं. The lizard was not scared but tried to find a way inside it. जो lizard थी वो बिल्कुल scared नहीं थी, but tried to find the way inside it. Lizard tried to find the way inside it. किसी तरह वो suitcase के अंदर चली गई थी. He was curious to see the interesting things used by humans. Lizard was very curious. He was full of curiosity. He wanted to know what is inside a human's suitcase and what are the things which basically used by humans generally. He smelled, felt, and tasted the things in the suitcase, right? We discussed in the previous class, we did question number 2 which was all related to what that lizard saw in that suitcase. So there were many things, I just told you about all of them, right? So lizard ने smell भी किया, taste भी किया और suitcase में taste भी किए चीज़ों को जो mention था. So this was the answer of question number 4. I'm sure कि आपने इससे भी अच्छा आंसर लिखा होगा अपने own words में. Alright, now let's move to question number 4 and we have to answer this. How did the lizard get out? So lizard finally, how did he manage to escape suitcase? Alright, हम लोग comprehension पढ़ चुके हैं, so I'm sure you guys know how he managed at the end. But now you have to write the answers in 2 to 3 lines. So आइए देखते हैं answers construct किस तरह करना. Example given है यहाँ. Sami lifted the suitcase. Sami lifted the suitcase, but it opened because it was not locked. क्योंकि lock नहीं था suitcase. Sami ने जब उठाया तो वो lift हो गया. क्योंकि वो बंद ही नहीं था, lock ही नहीं था, तो it must be opened, right? That's why the suitcase वो जो था lizard था, he got way inside it. So the lizard came out and finds its way. So at the end, lizard came out, find its way out of the suitcase. So this is how he managed to escape. All right. So I'm sure these questions were very easy. Now what you have to do is complete them. अगर आप कुछ एडिशन करना चाहते हैं न्यू वर्ड्स का, यू कैन, बट कॉन्सेप्ट यही होना चाहिए. Now what is the homework for today? Now you can see there are 4 questions given, and think about this. This is an activity. You have to think about these questions, prepare their answers, and then submit to your teacher. Now let's discuss what are these questions. How can we get rid of lizards? आपने बेसिकली ये सोचना है कि what are the ways in which you can actually get rid of lizards, कि lizards बेसिकली इन्वेड ना करें, आपकी चीज़ों में ना घुसें, कुछ चीज़ें ख़राब ना करें, such as soft or hairy materials such as your towels, which जो कि आप लोगों के में रखे हुए होते हैं. बहुत दफ़ा होता है कि lizards बेसिकली हमारा जो मटीरियल होता है उसे ख़राब कर देती हैं अक्सर, है ना. तो you actually have to discuss this question with your parents or your siblings or your जिससे भी आप डिस्कस करना चाहें. आंसर्स लिखें, पॉइंट्स अपने पास इकट्ठे करें. यू हैव टू राइट दोज पॉइंट्स इन योर नोटबुक्स एंड देन सबमिट टू योर टीचर्स. ऑलराइट, नाउ हियर इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. वेयर डू यू ऑफन सी लिजर्ड्स? अक्सर आपको लिजर्ड्स कहाँ नज़र आती हैं? वॉल्स पे या इन वॉशरूम, इन स्टोर्स? So you have to find the answer of this question as well. Lizards wanted to know about humans. Who do you want to know about? Okay, so now you have to find the answer as well. Basically बहुत आसान questions हैं. You can give 1 point only if you feel like you know only 1 point about it. ठीक है कि I see lizards on walls only. This is going to be right answer as well. So how will you know about that thing? Okay, so आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि basically lizard wanted to know about humans and why? All right, तो इन questions पे सोचिए, discuss कीजिए अपने close friends या अपने parents or with your siblings, and then construct few points, submit to your teachers, take screenshots. All right, तो मिलते हैं फिर next class में. Take very good care of yourselves and goodbye.